This 2009 BMW 5 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW 550i MSport 6-speed manual premium package MSport package Logic 7 sound system 4.8 LV8 engine 6-speed manual transmission navigation system rear parking aid heated front seats memory seats xenon headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control dual power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry silver metallic exterior black leather interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2009 BMW 550i MSport is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amped pricing, on occasion mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for error. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.